Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Look who's back in action. Okay, y'all, I'm hoping that everything goes well with today's video because y'all know I broke my camera, right? I broke my camera, so I have a new one. It's the exact same camera that I had before, but the settings are totally different. I don't know. I hope this quality is still giving out good quality because I haven't fully set the camera the way I want it to be. I was just like so impatient and definitely in a rush, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I haven't filmed in a week. I need to get cracking down and just get into these videos because she got some content to throw out for you guys. So that's what we're doing today. So I apologize in advance if the quality is not where it used to be, or if it's better, then hey, yay for that. I needed the broken camera to upgrade my quality. But like I said, it's the exact same camera. I just I think I have it on the correct settings. I don't have it in my 4K because apparently now all of a sudden my 4K don't want to go with my my memory card, so I have to buy another one. But I bought enough with this freaking camera. We're done buying right now. Okay, we're gonna buy it, diet. Buy it, diet until you guys see my haul. But anywho, enough with the rambling. Hello for those who are new. My name is NESHA, and for those who already been here, what it do, baby boo? Today we are back with day 2 of the second look using the Crayon Case green Notepad palette. Yes. Y'all see a little sparkles? Yes, I added a little bit of glitter today for today's look. So if y'all don't know what I'm doing on my channel, I am trying to get more use out of my palettes so that way it just won't hoard and just collect dust and stuff like that. So there's some palettes I'm going to be doing 2 looks back to back, and then there's some palettes that I'm just feel like I need more looks, more use out of this palette, especially if it's a big eyeshadow palette with more shade ranges. Then we're going to do a 1 week in 1 palette. So for today, like I said, this is day 2 using this palette because she needed to have 2 looks using this palette before I put her back in her home spot in my palette. So yeah, so this is look number 2. If you guys want to catch yesterday's look, I will have that linked out at the bottom, so be sure to check her out. Matter of fact, I just have a whole playlist of me using the Crayon Case eyeshadow palettes down at the bottom. So if you guys want to see more looks of me using this brand of palette, then definitely go ahead and check out the playlist down at the bottom. But yes, today is giving green vibes for St. Patty's or for spring, or just if green is just something you like to put in your eyes, this is what I'm going to be giving you guys today. So I hope you guys are here for the green for today. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, I'm praying to God that this is the correct settings. Y'all know what happened to my camera. I was out for almost a week. And the funny thing is, I had pre-filmed content for you guys to keep you guys in between, but I couldn't upload any of them because they were all beginning of something. So I was doing a product review and I didn't finish the review. I started this whole green thing and I didn't finish the second look. And then I started this whole 1 week 1 palette, but I didn't have more looks to continue with that. So what I mean by that is like I couldn't upload that not knowing when I was going to come back to give you guys the parts 2s and 3s of those other videos. So I was like, well, it don't make sense for me to upload this, and I'm like, yeah, see y'all tomorrow, and then I'll come back tomorrow because I don't have my camera to finish up the thing that I started. So I had just decided not to film. I just decided not to upload anything. So I do apologize. I was gone for almost a week, 5 days. That was a long time. And not to film either. So I feel like I'm going to be like super duper like on trying to catch up on content. So y'all don't be surprised if y'all gonna see 2 videos. I won't do 2 videos every day. I think I'm gonna do it just to play catch up. I think I'm gonna do it every other day. I'm gonna have 2 videos. So not today, probably tomorrow, which will be Monday for you guys. So probably tomorrow I will have a double up. So just make sure you guys are following it. I will have like my little community tab. I will let you guys know when I do upload, you know, double up. So I think double up is going to be tomorrow. Okay. Anywho, so this is going to be the part 2 of the Crayon Case palette. You guys already seen the intro. So how did I look? Was it bomb? Because right now I don't know what I'm about to create. Yeah, but we're going to do another look using this palette. I definitely want to dip and dab in this brown. I want to use this color again. And then maybe this green. Something like this. And I also put aside some glitters because I want to work with glitters as well for today's look. So we got some glitters going on. Yeah, so I am definitely here for what's about to be created. So before I zoom in, I'm going to prep my eyes with some Juvia eye prime. This is shade number 2. I'm going to go in with that and put that all over my eyes. So once I put this all over, I'm then going to get started with the look. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my brow bone highlight. I'm going in with my Ulta Beauty eyeshadow. Y'all, my kids are on a 10 today, so I do apologize if y'all hear some crying in the background. They're having a very emotional day, I guess you want to call it. But anywho, moving along, because mama needs a break. I'm going to go ahead and take this beautiful brown. I think it's a nice brown. Let's give it a go. I'm quite sure, but I'm going to pop it right in the crease and see what it gives. It looks kind of a wannabe brown. Like in an odd way, I see a hint of a green undertone to it. I might be delusional. Just a little bit, but it looks like it's, I don't know. I feel like it's giving that. Of course, the camera's not picking that up, but I think it's my eyes, y'all. I think it is. But it looks very pretty. So I'm just gonna keep patting that into the outer part, and I'm gonna bring it halfway in the crease. All right, I think what I am going to do now is that I'm going to try to blend this out with a lighter shade of a green. So I'm gonna go in with this right here, because I'm hoping that it's gonna come off a little bit yellowish, being that it's a very different style of green. And I like how it blended out in the look that you guys seen yesterday. So let's see how that goes. And I'm gonna bring it in the inner part as well. Alright, so now for the actual colors on the lid. I'm gonna first start off with, let's start off with, I think I'm gonna use that same color that I blended out. Let's go ahead and pop that on the actual lid. And I'm just gonna pop that right. I probably should have went in with some more base, but I didn't, so. Alright, now I'm going to add a little bit more of a lime green. I'm going to take this color right here, the remaining part. Alright, I like how this is looking. I like the little blends of just greens everywhere, but the key is now making sure everything is kind of like flowing together. So everything is blended out and it's not looking like a blob. So I just wanted to reapply that crease color. As you can see, it made a difference already. This looks more together and blended compared to this eye. I think I might reapply a little bit more of that brown because it looks a little greenish on the outer part. I was trying to go for more of an illusion that, hey, I have a brown in my crease, but it didn't go that way. But maybe if I reapply some more, maybe it will. I think I have it to my liking. The only thing I'm going to do now off camera is I'm going to quickly go in with some liner, because I like to have my liner on first before I go in with my glitter. So let's do that. And I'm just going to give y'all a little snippet of what I do. Alright, yes, I like how this eye look is looking. So I don't really want to cover up so much of the eyeshadows. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm gonna go in with this glitter. Yeah, because this one's a little bit more finer than the other one. So I'm gonna go in with this glitter. This is by Glow Up Academy. And this one is called Extra Credit. Ooh, this is getting everywhere. Okay. Do a lime green, did a little shum. Bring vibes all day, every day. So I'm gonna take a little bit of some lash glue. Sorry, not lash glue, glitter glue. And I'm gonna spread this out with my finger. So I don't want that much on. And I'm gonna leave my eyes closed, and then I'm gonna kind of like spread it out with this sponge thing, and then we're gonna dip it. See that? And then I'm gonna lightly spread this. So like I said, I just wanted a little bit of the glitter because I don't want it to overtake what's going on with the eyeshadows. And don't worry, it'll look a lot more better once I apply my lashes. It's just, right now you're just looking at a blank space like, what? What are we doing here? So I'm gonna clean up my face and apply my stuff, and then I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I don't want to come off. I usually use some tape to remove this off, but I'm trying to rush today because I got places to go. All right, so now let's finish up the eyes. So I am doing a behind the scene potting review. You guys will probably see it probably a couple of videos after this, but we're testing out a new concealer, and she's giving me, I don't know if she's giving me trouble or if this camera's giving me trouble, or I just feel like I'm out of the loop because I haven't did makeup in a week. And that's not like me. I usually do makeup about a good 4 times out of the week. So for me to have like almost a week completely off and not do makeup, I feel like I don't know how to do makeup anymore. But anywho, I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner. I'm gonna apply that into my waterline. And then for the bottom lash line, the color that I want to go in with, let's go ahead and go for, I don't know. I'm gonna try to see if I can put this dark green, see if it will kind of like blend. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go in with this green right here. And I apologize y'all if my lighting and everything is all, I have to reset in this camera. I literally caught myself doing that last night, but I was just kind of in a rush and just wanted to film, so I apologize if my lighting and everything is off. I won't know fully until I go back in and edit a video on what needed to be fixed, because right now on the viewfinder it looks fine. Alright, and then for my inner, I'm going to take some more of that glue. I'm going to pop it right in the inner. And I'm going to bring down a little bit of that metallic lime green color. I don't know what the heck happened. Okay, I knew I wasn't tripping. When I did that look yesterday, y'all see this? I thought I was tripping yesterday. I did it and I was really surprised. I said, this is a weird texture, and it is a weird texture because it wants to give off its metallic when it's not. So I don't like that shade. I'm gonna go in with the matte, the lime green instead. Hopefully it will hide what's going on. That looks a hot mess. I might have to redo that over. Can I save the look, honey? Can I save it? Can I save it? I don't know, y'all. It's giving off very, very harsh, patchy vibes. And then this concealer that I'm using today, I don't know how to feel about it. Okay, look, let me finish the rest of my face because we're having some difficulties right now. And then I'll be back. And then I thought about it. I was like, let me just finish up my face in general before I go ahead and continue with the look. I'm gonna contour, going in with Beauty Bakerie. For my cheeks, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Let's go ahead and complete the lips real quick. I'm gonna go in with Espresso by JUVIAS. And the lipstick I'm going in is called Let's Kiss by Live Glam. And then for my heat, I'm gonna go in with the shade Fenty Glow. This espresso is a little too dark for me. I'm gonna have to switch that out because espresso is a little bit too dark for my liking. So I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna reapply some of that pencil with my NYX pencil. Alright, that looks a little better. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and hopefully this will save the look. And I'll be right back. Alright, so this is going to complete the look. Really quick off camera, what I did is went in with this beautiful gold highlighter. I'm laughing because I'm like, why am I out of breath from getting dressed, y'all? Woo! That was pretty much everything that I did off camera that I did not show you guys. Because I think I pretty much told you guys exactly what I did. I used the exact same lashes that I used for yesterday's look, which is these JUVIAS. And these are called Egypt. I figured it out. These are called Egypt. Is the name of these lashes. And I feel like they do better the more I put more use in them. But the beginning stage of them, especially for these ones that I have on, it took them a cool minute for them to adjust and really like latch on to blending in with my natural lashes. But for this green, I knew when I did yesterday's look, I said it, but then I bit my tongue on it. I was like, nah, I'm tripping. But it's something different about this green texture, especially when I apply her on top of like a glitter glue. It don't be working. Like, I don't know what kind of formula this is. It's not really a true metallic. I don't know, but it's definitely left a very harsh like green effect in the inner, and I'm just going to leave it because like I said, I got things to do, places to go, and yeah, there's no remixing and stuff like that. But I hope you guys enjoy this look as well using this palette. I was trying to do different shades and stuff like that, and hopefully it doesn't look so similar to yesterday's look, but I think it's give off a different vibe, especially being that it's a non-cut crease and I did add some glitter. And yeah, my daughter tried to play me. She was like, didn't you already do a green look and then you had it on, you know, black? I was like, yeah, but I'm doing like 2 looks in one palette. She was like, oh. I was like, you don't get the YouTube world, okay? Your mom's doing things, okay? So hopefully you guys don't feel the same way she felt, because I felt like this is different. I felt like both looks are different. I'll insert yesterday's look as well, just in case you guys did not see her. Make sure you guys check her out. I will have that link down at the bottom, okay? But yes, this look is given green, 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 green. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and of course leave me your feedback down at the bottom. And if you are tuned all the way now, all the way towards the end, and you still haven't clicked that subscribe button, what you waiting for? It is free 99. Go ahead and click the subscribe button as well. That way you will never miss out on an upload from yours truly, okay? Go ahead and join the fam. I will greatly appreciate that. But enough of the rambling. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.